Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Wallpaper Engine start automatically every time you turn on your PC. This method is quick, easy, and works on any version of Wallpaper Engine. Let's get right into it. First, go down to the bottom right corner of your taskbar and click on the arrow icon to show all hidden apps. In the list, look for Wallpaper Engine. Once you find it, right-click on Wallpaper Engine and click on Settings. When the Settings window opens, make sure you're on the General tab. In this section, you'll see several options. Look for the option called Start with Windows. Go ahead and check this box to enable it. Also enable Set High Priority. This helps Wallpaper Engine start smoothly when your computer boots up. Once that's done, you can close the settings window. Wallpaper Engine will now start automatically every time you log into Windows. If you ever want to disable this, just go back into the settings and uncheck Start with Windows. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.